Meaning of high chair.
High chair.
High chair.
High chair.
High chair. A high chair is a type of chair designed for infants and young children to sit in while eating. It typically features a tray for the child's food and a safety harness to keep them secure. The elevated height of the chair allows the child to be at the same level as an adult sitting at a table, making feeding easier and more convenient. High chairs come in various designs and materials, ranging from simple plastic models to elaborate wooden ones with multiple adjustments and features. They are a common sight in households with young children and in restaurants that offer family dining.